the negative is that to do sensible stuff on Indian television, like to get a sensible role, takes time because unfortunately or fortunately, Indian television caters to the masses, and because TRP is ruled by the masses, so in an attempt to please the masses, the content has to compromise a little bit. So like Ajkal, Nagin, Dayan, all these characters are really boosting up the TRP. So you have to think twice. So the content is becoming more massy and not classy. So if you want to get like a really sensible, good role where there's creative satisfaction, then it takes time. That's the only minus.
Yes. I completely agree with her answer, and I love every word that she said. Your turn.
My turn, okay. So you are not from Bombay, right?
Born in Ahmedabad.
Okay. So what is the toughest part about staying in another city, especially like a city like Bombay, which is full of challenges, being in an industry which is so challenging, so many actors, to compete with, and so what is that one factor you feel is the most challenging for somebody who's not from the city and who has to come and stay here and make it on her own?
I think the most important thing that a person like me, who has no godfather in the industry, who has nobody who can guide me in the right way, the most important thing for me to do is have faith in my self-talent. Because if you don't have faith in yourself, I don't think you can move ahead. Your game is over there only. So there is nothing much left if you don't have faith in yourself. So I think that is what kept me going, because not many know, before I signed my first show, I had signed 9 contracts which didn't work out for some of the other reasons. A few of them got scrapped and few didn't happen for some other reasons. So I wasted a good 1.5 to 2 years just signing these 9 contracts and my show never coming on air. But eventually when I signed my first show, I realized that those 9 contracts and that time was wasted because I was meant to sign the best show. So eventually I feel God answers your prayers. It just takes some time. So that's when you have to be positive and believe in yourself.
Very, very true. I think what she said really makes sense. The day you lose your self-confidence, you can just collapse, and you can just go. So I think hats off.
Thank you.
Girls like her, who have that courage. I don't think I would have had that much courage to go in another city and try. I don't think I would. I would run back to my city.
That's very modest.
Yeah. I don't know, but that's true also. So your turn.
My turn. Okay. So what is the difference do you see in me on screen and personally?
So I think you very contemporary, very bubbly, chirpy, and you like to make friends and converse.
Yeah.
So that's the difference I see, because otherwise I think you're like very coy, right, in your show.
In my show, very, very coy. I wouldn't talk only.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, I missed out on your show.
Yeah.
Because I think that time I was abroad.
Yeah.
But then I caught you winning the award. So that's how the first time I saw Jia was winning awards.
Yeah.
So, okay, so how different am I? Because since you've seen Beintaha, how different am I from the Alia? I'm sure people want to know that, right?
Yeah, I would want to tell all Alia and Pritika fans that I think she's very different from what she appears on screen. I think she's far more petite and delicate and younger. Personally, when you see her, I think because on screen she looks like somebody who goes to college, but I think when you see her personally, you'll feel like I think she looks like a teenage album. She looks far more younger, at least.
16, baby.
Yes, she looks far more younger to me personally, because I've seen her in the pictures and in Beintia. So when I see her personally, oh my God, she's so small. Because on screen, generally you tend to look around 15 to 20% healthier. So on screen also I found her thin, but when I saw her personally, I feel like she's like a teenager. very, very young girl. So, and I think she's prettier also in person than on screen.
Oh my god. I don't know why people keep telling me that, but then Gia saying that, then I think I should believe that. Even you're much prettier in person too. I mean, I think, yeah, I mean, on screen also she's pretty, but yes, she's really, really gorgeous.
Thank you. Okay, so my turn. So what do you do in your free time?
Your turn or my turn?
Oh, is it your turn?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, sorry. You can just edit that.
Her turn. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Confusion. Delete. Editor. Delete.
Okay. Okay, so my turn. What do you do in your free time when you are not shooting?
Okay. Now that's a very easy question, and I'm sure my fans know it. Basically, I'm a YouTube freak, you know. So I really like watching these YouTube personalities, and some of them I've recently come across. Some of them are really cool on YouTube, especially Superwoman. This girl who's playing Superwoman on YouTube, she is really funny. And then there are other girls like Prajakta from in Bombay and others too. So I keep watching I like to watch web series on YouTube and stuff. So I keep doing that. And otherwise, trust me, I'm like out the whole time doing my own stuff. I'm not at home. And this thing that I'm saying is practically just before going to bed or something like that, you know. Not really the whole day. पूरा दिन में बैठे लेकिन उतना time waste नहीं करती हूँ मैं life में.
Okay. Your turn.
Oh, my turn. Okay. Okay. So, what do you think about the guys in Mumbai?
I think, honest opinion, the past 5-6 years, I have been so engrossed in work that our life starts on the set and ends on the set. So I think in the last 1.5 years, I've actually got the time to go out, hang out, meet new people. But unfortunately, if I would have found somebody really nice, I would have started dating that person. But I don't know where all the nice guys are. I don't know where they are hiding because every time I'm going to a party, I'm just looking around. Is there someone nice? Is there someone nice? But no, I don't know where are all the nice guys, or I don't know if I'm not hanging out in the right places.
No,
So
you're absolutely right. Actually, the nice guy is a myth.
yeah.
And there is no nice guy, so we have to live up. We have to live it with it. You know, to live with that thing that the nice guy is actually a myth. There is no nice guys. Sorry.
Because when the media interviews you, they ask you whom are you dating, and when you say you're single, they're like, no, it's not possible. How can you be single? So it's like when you say you're single, people can't swallow it, but it's the harsh reality. Because I think there are two types of girls. I think one is a girl who makes the man cry, and the other is the girl who cries for the man. So I think I belong to the second category. So now,
Me too.
yes. I think we should wait and find a guy who's worth crying for. And if the guy is really good, he will not make you cry.
That's true. I completely agree.
Yeah. So we both are waiting for such nice guys.
Yeah.
So Pritika, let's make a deal. If you find somebody good for me, let me know. If I find someone good for you, I'll let you know.
Ahmedabad, no chokro.
I'm a chokra no, because subah ko I'll have to make dokla for him.
Oh, okay.
So I don't want to do that because although I'm a Gujarati, I'm not I would say I'm a fraud Gujarati because I eat non-veg also.
And I am a South Indian, but I'm like a Jain, you know, like I don't have eggs. I don't have cakes that have eggs. I'm that staunch a vegetarian.
Wow. So that is one thing that's completely opposite in you and me. One thing different. Okay, I have heard her singing in her album, and I saw the video, and I have to say that I really liked it, and I think it really requires guts for an actress who is doing so well in her show, taking up something which is not connected to it, because singing is a different profession altogether, getting trained and trying something like that, you know, because like she rightly said that there are so many people who are trying so many things, there's so much competition. So believing in yourself and starting something new when you don't know whether you'll be accepted or not is something that's really commendable. So I want to tell her that I've seen her video and I really liked it. And she looked as pretty as she looked in Beantia. So I would like to request her, instead of asking a question, to sing a line for us.
Oh man.
Anything you want, just one line. Or a song or a message for your fans in that line.
पिया पिया ओ पिया 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 ओ पिया सुबह शाम कहे मेरा जिया 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 पिया पिया ओ पिया 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 ओ पिया.
Thank you.
I couldn't think of another better song because it has Jia in it.
Thank you for the sweet dedication. I actually put her in a spot by suddenly asking her to sing, and it's very thoughtful of her to come up with a song which has my name in it. Thank you. Dialogue. ठीक है, I can tell her, or rather she can tell me to say a Pritika dialogue, and I can tell you to say a
Okay,
Pritika dialogue.
okay. So, you know my dialogue by heart?
I know that one dialogue that I told you.
Okay.
I can say that if you want.
Okay.
So you can just say any Pritika dialogue.
So I'm doing the Gopi Bahu act now.
हाँ.
अहम जी, आप ग्रीन टी लेंगे? आपका जवाब नहीं आ रहा है. अहम जी,
जाओ यहाँ से, दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. बार-बार आ जाती है. Zen makes a lot of mistakes in Beantia, knowingly or unknowingly. So there is this situation where Pritika tells him, not rudely but very straightforwardly and sternly, making her point very clear and loud in a tone which of course will not hurt a man's ego.
wow.
Yeah. So she tells Zen that अगर मैं गलत हूँ तो मैं तुमसे माफ़ी मांगूंगी, पर अगर तुम गलत हो तो तुम्हें मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी. डील?
Wow.
I don't know if the wordings are exactly this, but the context is somewhat the same.
Even if you remember 2 lines of my dialogues, I'll be thrilled because trust me, I don't remember anything I said.
I'm glad I remember this one then.
I know, because we used to get pages and pages and pages and pages of dialogues every single day. So how much can you remember? You end up, like, after you give your exams, what happens to you? Do you remember your answers? No, right?
Never.
That's what happens to us.
Sometimes even after by hearting the answers, you still end up forgetting because you're so nervous during your examination.
Yeah. Pritika and Jia, how has been the coffee date?
Excellent. I think we concentrated. We were so excited to meet each other कि कॉफी पर ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं था.
I know. मुझे ये तक पता नहीं चला मैंने पिया क्या. I don't remember what I had.
You had a hot coffee.
With a super hot Jia.
Yes. And because I have super hot Pritika with me, that's why I had to have cold coffee because there is too much hotness. And Mumbai is also very hot.
Yeah, I know. Mumbai. Actually, you had cold coffee and I had hot chocolate. Yeah. Hot chocolate coffee. That's my favorite.
और इतनी तारीफ़ें हो गई, इतना मिलना जुलना हुआ, इंटरव्यूज़ हुए, गाने गाए, तो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
बहुत अच्छा रहा. And I want to tell India Forums, hats off for coming up with something that's so unusual and doing something for the fans, because there are very few channels, the online channels and the news channels who do things especially for the fans. So I think the fans also should send a thank you to Anvesha Didi. Say a big thanks to her for getting us together, and yeah, that's it.
I know it's a beautiful feeling that both of us have common fans, and to all those fans who must be really happy by now, thanks to India Forums. It's been wonderful meeting your lovely Jia, and I'm sure we can catch up for more coffees later on.
More coffee.
Minus media.
Minus media, absolutely, because we'll have more things to talk about minus the media.
I know.
Yes, please join us.
No journals.
Without the camera.
Spy camera? Spy camera.
Dangerous.
Right?
It's very dangerous these days, you know, the kind of things that are happening when you wake up, and even when you open social media, you get scared of opening the social media also. Because there are a lot of controversial things happening every day. So you, especially girls, have to be extremely careful. especially of spy cameras.
Yo! We hope you guys enjoyed the segment. Do share your comments and feedbacks. Cameraman Babaji and Vesha Kamal, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Jia Mane.
Hey, this is Preetika Rao. You're watching me on India Forums.
Please subscribe to their YouTube channel, India Forums.
India Forums.